So in this quick tutorial, I'll guide you on how to open an Uber Eats account in France. So first, go to the Uber Eats website or download the Uber Eats app from the App Store or Google Play. Once you're on the homepage, click on Sign Up. Next, you'll need to enter your personal information. This includes your name, email address, and phone number. After entering your details, create a strong password to secure your account. Make sure it's something you can remember. Once that's done, check your email for a verification link from Uber Eats. Click the link to confirm your email address. Now that your email is verified, you can set up your payment method. You can choose to add a credit or debit card so you can easily pay for orders or receive payments if you decide to deliver. Lastly, fill out any additional information required, such as your delivery preferences and location. And that's it. You now have your Uber Eats account set up in France.